Hello. In this video I'm going to show you the basics and print a Python programming language. Python is a pretty easy programming language and easy in understanding. So let's get started. First, open Python IDE. Click on File and New File. We will make a print program in which it will print in the output our values we will declare. When you've finished, click on Run and Run module. After that, select the folder you want to save it. Here, it gives us this error because I made a mistake. I was programming in Python 2.7, but this version is 3.10, so we have to make a change in the syntax. Now, I remove the raw from raw_input. It runs with no error. I didn't put O/H in string, and that's why it gives us that error. Let's fix that. Because I don't like the optic of the sentence, I will add some spaces, and it'll be done. That's for in this video. I hope you liked it and learned something new. See you next time.